In this video, we are going to unbox the Waterlock system. This is the hub. It plugs into your internet router and it will connect the devices in your Waterlock system wirelessly. This is the sensor that will be used to detect sand in water and changes in humidity. This is the valve controller. It is the connected device that takes signals from the system and controls the valve. This is the valve. It is the device that turns off your mains water supply instead of your existing stopcock. Inside the box is a quick start guide, which is for your reference during setup, and the valve installation guide, which is for the installer. Please keep this with the valve in preparation for your installation. We hope you found this video useful. If you would like any further help, then please follow the link to our website at the end of this video.